Okay, welcome to my final Python project. Promise it's not gonna be boring. So here I'm gonna show you what it is. It's basically a stock data gatherer. I make the user input ticker symbols. So they create a list of ticker symbols for themselves, and then I make them enter a starting date. So based on the starting date and ticker symbols, you perform short-term or long-term analysis based on the stock you choose, and it's all done through like a single click of a interact button. So here I'm gonna run the. Here I already ran my uh, Python libraries. Just installed the library. So for the sake of time, here I'm gonna run the project so you can see how it works. So I wanna like analyze. I wanna analyze Apple. I wanna analyze Square. I wanna analyze Tesla, right? So I have to choose a starting date for when the chart will start. So I'm gonna do. Let's do when Corona hit, right? So crash happened. Let's do 2020 March. Let's do March 1st. Square. Let's do Tesla. Then Apple. And then I'm gonna stop. For these inputs, I also test it for any errors. So if you enter like an incorrect date format, you're gonna get an error. Um, it's gonna display a message to you. Same with the stock list. If your ticker is like above like a length of 4 characters, it's not gonna add it to the list. So here, after you enter your stocks, you get a list, and then it turns it into a drop down interact. So here I'm gonna do Apple. I'm gonna analyze it based on today, right? I'm gonna run it. Boom. First you're gonna see is the SPY graph. SPY is basically an overall index of the market. You use it, a lot of traders use this when trading with other individual stocks. This is basically like a trend analysis. People like to use as a guide, so that's why I included. It's very useful. Uh, and also you can see that it's basically a candle chart. You could probably look this up on any like website online, but here you could do it with like a click of a single button, right? So um, here's an interactive like graph. You can see the candles, the open price, the highs and lows, and time. um, that's for SPY. Same thing with the stock you choose. In my example, I chose Apple. So same thing. Same buttons. Same thing goes with the other time frame. If you run it like that, but one thing I want you to notice is that whenever there's certain trends with SPY, it kind of goes the same with Apple. So you can see Apple like had a decline right here. Same with SPY. SPY had a large decline. SPY also had a dip like around 3 o'clock. 240 had a dip around 240, and then same with Apple. Apple had a dip right here. You can see. So yeah, that's why I include SPY. I make it display SPY, and then after the candle charts, you're gonna see like the business summary of the company. It tells you what you may not already know. Some extra important information when when you trade some stocks. Good to take this into consideration whenever you want to make important trades. How many shares are floating, basically how many shares are available, the market cap, whether it's a large, mid, or small cap stocks. That's important because different cap stocks like perform differently. The dividends, the 50-day average, the 200-day average. This is all technical analysis when trading stocks. Here I have the volume chart. It's a plot express chart. It's interactive, and you can see here is a sharp increase in volume. And if you look at here, yeah, you can see there's a downtrend with Apple. So uh, large selling volume basically. You see, and then here you get the moving averages. This basically tells you like any trends there are. Let's say the opening prices like it crosses below the 50-day moving average or the 50 mark moving average. So and then you see a downtrend. Because it's below the moving average. Let's do a month and year. So long-term analysis, right? I'm running out of time. Okay, if it runs. But basically, like moving averages tells you trends. It's above the moving average, and it's an upward trend. So thank you.